everyone, I'm Zoe. Now we're in the Effetti Industry Park. The construction area is more than 25,000 square meters. It is one of the largest optoelectronic industry parks in the center of China. We have 5 automatic production lines and the most advanced equipment. The annual output is more than 30,000 square meters. The building behind me is our manufacturing center. Today, my colleague Tim and me will show you our workshop and the production process of LED screen. How the LED screen come out? Let's find out.
Hello everyone, this is Tim. Now I'm in the Research and Design Center of YesTech. The production of LED display will start here, from design, evaluation, sampling, and so on. All the products will be verified through a series of experimental tests. And here is our laboratory, which is accredited by National CNAS, which can independently conduct comprehensive testing and analysis. And its test results and test reports are recognized by many international organizations, such as IAF and ILAC, to ensure the stability and the quality of LED display. The raw materials, samples, semi-finished products, and finished products will be tested in the laboratory with a variety of professional equipment for complicated experimental tests. This is our reliability laboratory. It can apply dust test, salt spray test, high and low temperature test, UV test, and other related tests. And for our outdoor products, we will do the waterproof test and the salt spray test. And then it is our comprehensive lab. The laboratory mainly conducts photoelectric test, fireproof test, vibration test, loading bearing, tension test, and other related tests. Okay, let's go. And this is our cryogenic laboratory. This is the first station of LED display production, the fully automatic SMT workshop. It is a 10,000 level dust-free workshop. After passing the air shower system at the entrance, you can enter the SMT workshop. There are 5 high-speed automatic SMT assembly lines. Following the optical inspection, the products will be transferred to the next process.
Now I'm in the cabinet assembly workshop on the 2nd floor. There are a lot of automatic machines, such as automatic screw locking machine, automatic welding machine, automatic coating machine, and so on, which greatly improves the production efficiency. Except LED board, all the graphite will be finished in the 2nd floor, which have passed the QC department. And this is our cabinet after assembly. First floor is for aging, calibrating, and packing workshop. This is our calibration room. Before shipment, we will testing all the cabinets to ensure the uniformity of the color and the brightness. This area is our indoor aging area. For ensuring the quality, all the products will aging 72 hours. After indoor aging is completed, We will do vibration test of product packed by flat case, which tests the package safety during the transportation process. Outdoor products will also do the waterproof testing before shipment. During the production, we strictly control the quality. And behind me, this is the biggest outdoor aging truss in the industry. It can aging 300 square meters at the same time. That's the whole process of LED screen and come out. Do you understand the steps of LED screen manufacture? Bye-bye.